Now the next is histology of brain. Histology is the tissues, study of tissue. Outer layers of the brain, they are made up of grey matter, and the inner portion of the brain, it is made up of white matter. Whereas in spinal cord it is reverse. The outer tissues in the spinal cord, they are made up of white matter, and the inner tissue consists of grey matter. Now the next is how brain and spinal cord they are protected, how nervous tissue is protected. The brain is protected by, we have seen outside the brain there is a cover of bones, and that is called cranium. There are three membranes which surround the brain, three protective membranes which cover the brain, and these membranes are called meninges. They protect the brain, and in between these meninges, in तीन protective membranes के बीच में there is filled a fluid which is called cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. This protects the brain. Spinal cord is protected by a column of 33 small bones. 33 small bones हैं spinal cord के बाहर, which form a vertebral column or the backbone. These protect the brain, and this spinal cord is also surrounded or protected by three membranes. These membranes are called meninges, and between these meninges is present cerebrospinal fluid. So brain is protected by cranium, meninges and cerebrospinal fluid, and spinal cord is protected by vertebral column, meninges and cerebrospinal fluid. Now the next is peripheral nervous system or the PNS. It consists of nerves which arise from brain and spinal cord. The nerves arising from brain, they are called cranial nerves, and those which arise from spinal cord, they are called spinal nerves. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves, and they are numbered in Roman numerals from 1 to 12. These connect the brain with the various organs and control their functioning, and there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves which arise from spinal cord, and these are cervical, which arise from the neck region. They are 7 pairs of cervical, and then thoracic nerves. There are 12 thoracic nerves which arise from thorax or the chest region. Lumbar nerves which arise from abdomen, and these are 5 pairs. Then we have pelvic nerves which arise from the hip region, again 5 pair, and the coccyx which arise from the tail region. We do not possess a tail, but it is present in reduced form, and their number varies. These are the fused. Coccyx is the region which is formed by fusion of several bones. So this is the region. ठीक है, so this is the peripheral nervous system. Then last is the autonomic nervous system, which is further divided into sympathetic and Parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for emergency situation like fear, अचानक से हमारे सामने सांप आ जाए, एंगर, एक्सेसिव जॉय, कोई कहे आपकी 5 करोड़ की लॉटरी लग गई. तो all these situations are the emergency situations faced by the body and controlled by sympathetic nervous system. In this system it accelerates the action. इसमें क्या होगा, हार्ट बीट, रेट ऑफ हार्ट बीट इंक्रीजेज, ब्लड वेसल्स दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ब्लड प्रेशर इट इंक्रीजेज, pupils the central portion of the eye they dilate, हमारी आंखें फैल जाती हैं, and it relaxes the urinary bladder. urinary bladder जो है वो अपने आप उसके स्पिंचर्स जो हैं वो खुल जाते हैं and the urine is excreted on its own outside the body and it is controlled under the action of hormone epinephrine, which is also called adrenaline. Parasympathetic nervous system, it helps to bring the body to the normal situation, and during this system is active during relaxing time. It deaccelerates an action, slow down करता है सारे processes को. It decreases the rate of heartbeat, it relaxes the blood vessels, it decreases the blood pressure, it constricts the pupil, यानी हमारी आंखें जो हैं वो normal रहती हैं, and it contracts the urinary bladder, and it is under the action of hormone norepinephrine, which is also called noradrenaline. So with this we are finished with the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system.